Everyone wants to be productive and lead a healthy life, and you aren't an exception. But when you think about your own past, you realize that nothing has changed. You still don't have a job that you want, an interesting hobby, happy relationship, and your friends try to avoid you. Moreover, you had a dream, and now it's still a dream, and you don't know how to make it come true. What if your daily habits become a barrier for you to achieve this goal? Hey, you're watching Wisey, a channel about anything and everything. Today, we'll try to figure out why some of these daily mistakes can totally ruin your successes and prevent you from living a fulfilled life. So, let's go run through this list and check out the mistakes you have probably made. Before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us here. Number 1. Spending your entire day planning. Do you stare at your schedule, thinking about how best to use every last minute of your day? Do you spend hours upon hours adjusting project spreadsheets and charts? While planning is an important part of work, it's not the only one. You also have to take action and actually do the things you've planned so carefully. Lay the plans aside and get to work. Number 2. Sitting at your desk for hours on end. Quick, when was the last time you left your desk for a break? Sorry, restroom breaks and getting a stack of printouts from the photocopier don't count. You need to take regular, non-work breaks. Give your eyes a break from staring at the computer screen or slaving over your workstation. Get up, do some light stretches, and go outside for a quick walk. The change of scenery and fresh air will help to recharge your mind and body. Number 3. Lying to oneself. Believe it or not, we all lie, and a lot of times to ourselves. The truth is that the world is a harsh place, and we all fantasize about what we'd want it to be like to escape the daily drudgeries and brutal reality of it. Some people are forced to do this by certain life events that have shaped their lives massively and pushed them into a path of unacceptance. However, lying to yourself, or others, does you no good, but sets up a fantastical and theatrical facade of a life that is just an illusion of real-life struggles, seen through rose-tinted shades. This might seem like the right thing to do in the heat of the moment, but you'll regret it when you're 60 and all you've got is a recollection of memories of your past. Okay, it's time to take a break with a quick quiz from Wisey. Who do you think people lie to more? A. Strangers. B. Friends. C. Family. D. School and business colleagues. The right answer is B. Yes, according to research, people lie to their friends more than family and coworkers. It's 51% of the total lies, in fact. Are you surprised? Or were you expecting such results? Share with us in the comments, and we'll get back to our list. Number 4. Blaming. It's not my fault I'm not successful. The industry is problematic. I don't have the money, etc. When it comes down to it, however, who is the one responsible for our success? Ourselves. This is the day and age where people are launching successful startups in a matter of months, getting published online, and finding their way to success one way or another. Some things might be out of their control, but blaming others is just going to waste the energy and time they need to get going. Number 5. Neglecting to set goals. Having goals gives you hope and the ability to look forward to a better future. And working towards those goals makes you feel good about yourself and your abilities. It's important to set goals that are challenging, specific, and measurable, and driven by your personal values. Without goals, instead of learning and improving yourself, you just plod along wondering why things never change. Number 6. Wanting another person's life. Comparison is truly the theft of joy. It's so easy to compare yourself to other people with social media being so integrated into our daily lives. But the thing is, No one puts their mundane, boring, everyday stuff online. Everything is carefully planned, posed, and edited to the point where it isn't even real anymore. No one has the perfect complexion, spouse, job, children, diet, body, or home. We are all flawed humans doing the best we can with what we've got. What if you used that mental energy brainstorming ways to make your life better? And by that, we don't mean trying to make your life what society says it should be, but creating a life that is authentic and reflects what you truly want deep inside. Number 7. Loafing. One of the hardest and the most obvious parts of achieving success is the actual work. Procrastinating, making excuses, or tricking yourself into loafing is just going to cement the fact that nothing will ever get done. It might not sound pretty, or even too easy, but the easiest way to get to success is to just jump in and get going. Oh, just a second. Wisey has a curious fact for you about procrastination. A YouGov survey found that people spend approximately 218 minutes procrastinating daily, which is equivalent to 55 days per year. Impressive, isn't it? Just think about how often you put off your work to watch a TV show. TV. We have a habit related to it. Let's smoothly return to our list. Number 8. Sticking to TV. No one can live without entertainment. Without it, life would be monotonous. But even too much entertainment is harmful, especially sitting in front of the TV for way too long. First of all, it's not good for your eyes, and that comfy couch makes your back weak too. It's better to search for an alternative, which shouldn't be your phone or laptop, as they are equally harmful. Instead, go out to meet your friends, laugh with them, enjoy, get entertained, and stay healthy. Number 9. Regularly skipping meals. You need food and water to survive. Period. If you're not eating meals on a regular basis, you're probably not being as productive as you could be. Don't skip meals in lieu of working, and be sure to take your full meal breaks. While you're at it, get away from your desk or workspace and eat somewhere else, like a cafeteria, outdoors, or in a public park for a break from the working space. Number 10. Waiting for the perfect moment. When's the perfect moment to start planning your dream vacation, clean out your closet, or look for that new job? You could spend years upon years waiting for that so-called perfect moment. The truth is, the perfect moment is right now. Stop waiting and start working towards your goals, big and small, professional and personal. You'll be glad you did. If you are making these tiny little mistakes in your life, it's never too late to put a halt to it. We can't control our genes, and we can't control all of our circumstances, but we can rid ourselves of habits that serve no purpose other than to make us miserable. Change and learn to grow with life. Have you found such habits in your own life? Maybe you have other destructive daily habits. Please, let us know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. See you soon!